Wanting to make a delicious non-alcoholic cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make my second entry into the Ovant non-alcoholic cocktail competition here in Australia. And I want to do a little bit of a twist on a Ramos Gin Fizz. Yes, it's probably one of the most hated cocktail for bartenders when a lot of times we get asked to do one and you're meant to shake it for 8 minutes. I won't be shaking it for 8 minutes, I'll tell you right now. Okay, so I was thinking to make something low ABV, I wanted to create a cocktail that I could use in one of my venues. And something that's tasty, refreshing, still looks nice, so the person or the guest that's having it can still sort of interact with everyone who's drinking. It might be that they're just not drinking because they're off the booze, they could be pregnant, the health reasons. Doesn't really matter. We don't have to be drinking alcohol in venues anymore because we can make just as delicious cocktails that are low or no ABV. So the first ingredient that I want to use is 60 mils or 2 ounces of the Ovant Verve. Next up, I'm going to use, let's go 15 mils, half an ounce, of a cherry blossom syrup from the Sakura flower. Next up, I'm going to use 20 mils, 2/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm going to add some cream. I'm going to do about half an ounce, which is 15 mils. Then to get that delicious crema or head or froth on the top of this fizz, I'm going to use 30 mils, an ounce of Aqua faba. And next up, instead of shaking it for 8 minutes, I'm going to use modern technology and just going to froth it up a little bit, just to get that aeration into the cocktail and to save me having to shake in my biceps for the next 8 minutes. I've also done this before in a blender. It sounds like it's cheating, but when you're in a venue and you're smashing out 1,000 cocktails a week, you need to try to make it as quick as possible. Okay, so that's my dry shake. Add some ice to that as well. Give it a really big shake. Let's give that a try. So far, so good. All right. Okay. I'm going to top it off with some Yuzu Soda water. As I said, light, refreshing, tasty, and it looks pretty cool too. For my garnish, I'm just going to do an orange twist across the top of it, because in the Ramos Gin Fizz they used to use a little bit of orange blossom water. Instead, I'm just going to spray those essentials across the top, the oils. I'm going to discard it. And there we have the cherry blossom fizz. Now time to give it a try, and like a Ramos Gin Fizz, you're not drinking it right unless you get your little mustache. That is super tasty. God damn, that is good. All right. Ovant, look out. I'm coming for you for the competition. Mustache, nose, all. Guys, please like, subscribe. See you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.